Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we will be talking about how we can customize publish message in Power BI. So now let's get started. First of all, let me talk about what do we mean by publish message. So let's say for an example, this is my Power BI report. Now I'm clicking on publish. So at this moment it is showing all the workspaces over here. But let's say I just wanted to provide some instruction or some guideline while they are publishing the report to Power BI service. How can I do that? How can I add some important disclaimer before publishing the report to the service? I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure of doing that. First of all, open your Power BI service account. So let me just open up my Power BI service. Now let me just go to the admin center. For that, click on ellipsis, select settings. From there, select admin portal. Now from admin portal, from left hand side, just go to the tenant setting. Here just go to the help and support settings. Here we have an option show a custom message before publishing reports. At this moment it is disabled for the entire organization. Now let's expand that and let's enable that. Now here you can enter any custom message over here. The custom message that we are typing here, it should be either plain text or in form of markdown syntax. So what do we mean by markdown syntax? Here is the link that is provided by Microsoft. So let's say if you want to give some fancy title, you need to use this type of markdown language over here. Let's say if I want to use heading level 4, I need to type 4 times pound key over here and then I need to type my heading, right? So this type of markdown language I need to use. Now let's just enter one of the message over here. So let me just open up my notepad and show that to you that what I want to have that. I just wanted to type some important disclaimer over there where I have used this markdown syntax with 4 times pound key, and after that I just type one message and I just wanted to add one link for learn more. For that I just use this learn more and after that I just provided any dummy link over here. Now let me just copy this message and let me just paste this message over here. And I just wanted to apply this for the entire organization. If you want to specify that for specific security group, you can do that. You can also use the expect specific security group option as well based on your requirement. Now let me just click on apply. Now it prompts this notification that this will take around 15 minutes. Now I just waited for 10 to 15 minutes and after that I just sign out and sign in again to my Power BI desktop, and now let me just click on publish. So it will show all the workspaces here, and here you can see that important disclaimer that we have defined into our Power BI service. So you will be able to see the message like here. Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your question in the comment section. Also, if you have request of any Power Platform related video, you can add your request in the comment section. I would happy to hear from you. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay tuned with me on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Also, if you wish to receive the daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number. Also, if you wish to listen different Power Platform related podcast from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to the podcast homepage. From here, you can listen your favorite Power Platform related podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify and much more. So, this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session.